Hi everyone, it's Tacey Gray. I want to show you the step-by-step process for my favorite quilt technique, foundation paper piecing. Foundation paper piecing is a technique for sewing quilt blocks with unusual shapes or intricate pieces. This technique is very accurate, and there's no need for complicated templates or specialty rulers. When we foundation paper piece, we sew the fabric directly onto the paper. When the block is done, we tear the paper off. To paper piece, you'll need some special tools: foundation paper, seam roller or small iron. An add a quarter ruler is really helpful, a rotary cutter, a cutting mat, flathead pins, and small scissors. To get started, print your block pattern onto a sheet of paper. A standard printer paper will do, but foundation paper is thinner and tears away more easily. Set your stitch length to 1.7 to 1.85 millimeters. Cut fabric according to the pattern instructions. Lay the fabric for piece 1 onto the back of the paper, right side up. Make sure the fabric covers the area on the pattern for piece 1. Pin the fabric to the paper. Fold the paper along the line between piece 1 and piece 2. Lay the fabric for piece 2 onto the fabric for piece 1. Your fabrics should be right sides together. Make sure both fabrics extend at least a quarter inch past the line for seam allowance. Sew along the line between piece 1 and 2. Fold back the paper and trim the seam allowance to a quarter inch. Open the fabrics and press the seam. Now repeat these steps to add piece 3. Continue adding pieces in numerical order until the block is finished. When all pieces have been sewn, trim the block around the outside lines and remove the paper. To make the full block, sew the other half of the heart and seam them together. That's it. If you want to try this technique today, grab a free copy of my Work of Heart mini quilt pattern on my website, taceygray.com. And don't forget to follow @TaceyGray on Instagram and YouTube.